Hey guys, it's Pocho Trainer from Samurai FT Martial Art Fitness System, and today's video I'm gonna talk about elbows, circular elbows, descendant elbows, back elbows, Muay Thai techniques. And I'm here with my man Maurice, so we're gonna have fun, we're gonna get some workout. I'm working with different tutorials, guys, and I think this is gonna be your next level. If you are a fitness enthusiast, if you are a group fitness instructor, if you like martial arts, or you teach different boxing formats, these techniques are gonna help you a lot, okay? So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so elbows is one of my favorite techniques. I'm a martial artist, so my style is Karate Do Shotokan, so we use these techniques, but you know, in Muay Thai too. So we're gonna start with the circular elbow, okay? So in the last video, I was talking about boxing, so it's similar to the movement to the hook. So can you throw me a hook? This is a regular hook, okay? Once again, hook, bam. The only difference with the elbow is, now throw me an elbow, is how you put your elbow, okay? So go back again. So the only difference again, and also your target is similar, okay? So this is a hook, close your hand, hook. Hook is with the fist, and the difference is like you're gonna strike with the elbow, but it's the same principle. Remember, all the way back again, throw your shoulder, hips, and everything is connected, okay? So now with the left, same way. This is a hook, now with the elbow. As you notice, elbow 90 degrees angle, pivot a little bit. This is how you generate power in the rotation, okay? So now ascendant, it's like an uppercut, make an uppercut. It's the same thing, no, just bend, boom, okay? Same principle, okay? Repeat again. So comes from the middle of my guard, boom, all the way up back, okay? Do the same thing with the left, go, boom, all the way up, okay? Again. Also, you can use this technique, this elbow, like a to protect yourself. You can make an elbow all the way up with the left, excellent. So if I throw a punch, he can protect himself with this movement. Now protect with the other side, boom. Like a fly elbow is more Muay Thai technique. You can use your raise your hand, and this elbow is gonna come to directly to my head, okay? So all the way back, it's up, he's gonna rise his hand, and it's gonna strike in my head, okay? So way, go, boom, okay? So now a little bit backward, now jump a little bit, bam, okay? So it's the same thing, guys. You gotta figure it out. The rotation, rise your elbow, I'm gonna do it, okay? So it's like up, look my hand, all the way up, and then it's gonna boom. The elbow is like a knife, so if you strike in his head, I'm gonna cut it. He's gonna boom, okay? And I'm gonna do a variation. If you're gonna use your left hand, this is more karate style, okay? So I'm gonna raise my hand, and I can drive him down, and from here I'm gonna strike, and I'm gonna bend my knees at the same time, boom, and I'm gonna strike with my elbow, okay? Again, okay? So it's like squeeze your bicep and drive the elbow down, okay? And the last elbow is gonna be backwards, okay? Squeeze your fist, exhale, bam, it's directly to the stomach. Keep your elbow bent, boom, and strike. We're gonna do like a real, just jump a little bit. Okay, so feel the contraction a little bit more, okay? Okay, so same way with the other side. Step back. Okay, step. Okay, so just make sure you make a little step just to drive the weight to the back and use the momentum and the power in the movement at the same time when you punch. And you strike, step, strike, step, strike. Same way, just different target. You can strike in the face or in the neck. Just raise your elbow, step, and it's directly to the face. Step a little bit more to the front, and boom, okay? Squeeze. You can squeeze your fist like this, you can open, so, but the strike is here, okay? Pop, all to the stomach, pop, up, down, up, down. If you are coming to my classes, I all the time use these techniques in my classes, okay? So this is all for today. So we're gonna do some workout together now. We're gonna apply these techniques. It's gonna be my fun time, you know. All the time I'm working, just teaching classes. But the way how I release my stress is working out, guys. So remember, movement is medicine. Just move, stay active, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in the next video.